Cool. All right, Carlos and Josie here Wednesday night in, where are we, Palmdale?
Lancaster.
All right, Lancaster.
Palmdale, Lancaster.
Whatever.
We use them.
Antelope Valley.
Antelope Valley, there we
All
go. In the high desert.
So we started with just a basic sugar tuck or basic tuck by stepping straight back. 1, 2, nothing fancy here. The biggest thing we were making sure is we were implementing what we were talking about at the very beginning of bringing the knees forward and then bringing them back down. So being able to switch them back and forth as our weight changes, but also incorporating the knees and the ankles rolling forward and the calf muscles to make that smooth move without it affecting the rest of our body. So we were doing that with the basic sugar tuck 1, 2, really trying to roll through the feet there, keeping it nice and smooth. Then, what else we add? Oh yeah, actually we added a change in the footwork timing for the follower. We had a 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Maybe she's actually going behind, creating a 3-dimensional shape in the body. Thirdly, we added a tiny little prep for the followers to give you more of a dynamic shape. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. As you notice, I did a prep inside and a lift and prep away as I brought the arm in to compress. Then we added a hand change for the guys and also a rhythm change for the 3 and 4. So we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then from here, I told you that when we change the hands, 1, 2, 3, 4, to set up your anchor in a way that you can actually lead a right side pass by driving forward 1, making sure followers, you see my body going in that direction, you see her actually exchange the connection. So then from there I have a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, rinse and repeat. Cool? Woohoo!